Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I want to share with you a simple Dollar Tree DIY that I created for my home for the fall with a lot of neutral farmhouse feel tones to it. I am so into the farmhouse look this fall season, so I wanted to create this neutral tone DIY to go with a lot of the grays and whites in my home. So if you would like to see how to make this simple DIY, then stay tuned to this video. So for this DIY, I'm using this dark gray plastic bin that I found at Dollar Tree that to me looks like a farmhouse style basket. And it was big enough that I knew I was going to be able to fit the fake pumpkins that they have at Dollar Tree inside and also some floral to it to make a nice little harvest bouquet with inside it. Now the front of it, I chose to use this harvest sign that they have at Dollar Tree. If you've been at Dollar Tree lately, you will know that they have these galvanized signs that one says harvest, one says thankful, and the other one says welcome. So I'm going to use the harvest one for this basket, and I'm using my glue gun to glue it on. Now because the basket is round in the front, this is going to take a little while to kind of glue it onto your basket. So when I first started it off, I just put the glue on the whole sign and try to glue it on that way. But it didn't stay on. The glue got dry really fast on the outside parts. So you will see me try to put it on right now all together, but it's not gonna stick because, again, like I said, it dried really quickly. So I found the best bet was to glue a little bit in the middle and to find that spot and to hold that spot in place, and then glue on different pieces at a time and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds until you are ready to go to the next piece, and I found that's the best way to do it. So here you see me trying again to glue it on, and like I said, I'm just going to glue a little bit in the middle and kind of hold that middle part in place where I want it for about 10 to 15 seconds and then move on to little pieces. Now you will see that some glue will ooze out, and you can easily clean this up once it's fully dry. I try not to remove the excess glue until about a couple hours later because I don't want to take the full sign away. So I will be adding the glue to the sides a little at a time, and that way it stays on. And this is how the sign looks on the basket after I have finished gluing it on. And again, I will clean it up a little bit more once a couple hours have passed because I don't want to take the sign off. So now I'm going to add some pumpkins to the basket. And the pumpkins that I'll be using are those Dollar Tree fake pumpkins that were this bright orange. And because I was going for neutral tones, I painted them white and this light muted gray green. And then I decided to make my stems silver because I've seen a lot of silver tones go with these neutral tones. So I wanted to make my pumpkins look different. So I made about 6 pumpkins this way. I made 3 green and 3 white. And I'm just going to layer them within the basket and kind of move them around to see how I want them before I add the greenery. So for my floral, I'm going to add a little bit of greenery to go with the neutral tones. And this greenery I actually found at the Target dollar spot for about $3, and I shared it with you guys in my Target haul. It was basically a wreath, kind of like, it was on a vine, but I didn't like the vine. It was this brown, you know, paper bag lookingish brown, and I didn't like it. So I just tore the greeneries off the vine and decided to put them within the basket. And I love this greenery, and yes, it was $3, but I never can find greenery that looks like this at Dollar Tree. So I decided to pay the $3 and buy it so I can add it to my basket. And I love the way that this greenery looks with the green pumpkins and the white pumpkins and the dark gray basket. And that is it, guys, for this simple but beautiful Dollar Tree DIY for fall. I really love how this DIY came out. It goes so well with the natural tones in my home, and it got me on this farmhouse kick feel. So stay tuned, because I have a lot more farmhouse style DIYs coming up, and also some things that I picked up for my home for the fall. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.